again, our Army Black Mamba Energy Drink team. Okay, ngayon tawagin naman natin ang ating semi-finalists in the previous conference of the PVL, the Choco Mucho Flying Titans. We have the very animated Coach Oliver Almatro alongside Libero Dente Lazaro Revilla, Cherry Nunag, and the team captain, Bea De Leon. Choco Mucho immediately emerging as one of the favorites in the BVL, and they were the ones that sold out the SM Olivier Arena as we transferred from San Juan because of so many fans wanting to watch them face against the Creamline Cool Smashers in the semifinals. And speaking of more contenders in the league, we also have our finalists in the previous conference, our Petrogas Angels, calling on assistant coach Arno Danyog, team captain Chisay, middle blocker Seth Rodriguez, and libero Bang Pineda. We also have Coach Rad Ricafort joining us. Mula sa Petrogas Angels. Just had their very historic rematch against the Creamline Cool Smashers in the finals of our 2022 Open Conference. And last but definitely not the least, we have the champions of our Open Conference, the Creamline Cool Smashers, with head coach Sherwin Meneses, the returning Michelle Gumabao, former MVP Cheva Galanza, and our recent finals MVP, team captain Eliza Valdez. Let's have a big round of applause for all of our coaches and players present in our press conference. And of course, we will also be joined by the PVL president himself, Mr. Ricky Palou. As we call on Sir Ricky Palou, we would also like to call on Sir Paolo Pineda to join us here on stage. There you have it, guys. And po, sirs, ang mga teams na maglalaban-laban sa ating Open Conference, we would also like to give a big shout out to the PLDT High Speed Hitters and the Signal HD Spikers. Kasama sila sa ating 2022 Invitational Conference. Alright, so as we are obviously all excited to have our teams here this afternoon, we all know everyone is very busy, so we appreciate everyone coming here in our event. So now we can start with our Q&A. Si Jeff po ang makakasama natin to get this going. Please raise your hand and then we will give the mic to you. When we do go to you, please introduce yourself and then ask away. Ito po si Jeff sa ating left side. Who would like to start our Q&A? Yes, sir. Sir, please introduce yourself and then address properly kung sino yung gusto ninyong tanungin. Sir, let's wait for the microphone lang saglit. Para marinig tayo ng mga viewers natin sa ating live stream. Alright, sir, go ahead.
Lito Redo po sa Abante. Just like to ask Sir Ricky and Sir Paolo. Kasi parang first time po yata ng PVL and Kumu na mag-partnership po. Is this partnership for life or for this conference only? Gaano po yung kahaba yung magiging term?
Thank you for that. Thank you for that question. Actually, we started this partnership this year, the first conference, and we're here for the long term. No? It's not just a one-year deal. No? We'd like the relationship to go on for some time, long time. No? We are looking forward to working with them together, and we're sure that we're going to benefit with our partnership with Kumu.
Sir Paolo, do you have any more comments?
Yeah, well, just to add to that, tama naman si Sir Ricky. We're signed up for this year, but as we progress, we continue to talk, and I think you heard it from himself. We really want to work this through long term.
Gusto na rin pong itanong yung kung ano po yung mga ideas na idadagdag nyo dito sa conference ngayon ng PBL, knowing na ang dami nyo ng mga promotion sa Kumu. Other than doon sa pinakita kanina sa preview, ano pa po yung mga idadagdag nyo na parang mas pagagandahin pa yung, mas magiging exciting pa yung laro ng PBL, hindi lang sa court kundi maging sa social media platform?
Well, itong second conference, ito yung gagawin namin for July, no? Given the time that we're able to put this together. I think sila Carmela, Sydney together with Ricky's team, binuo nga namin itong mga programa, and titingnan namin kung ano dito yung sisikat or which will be the ones the fans will like, and then maybe we can kind of maybe expand as the conference progresses. Last time we did like a Kumu Awards night, so that was also fun, but we can only do that once a year. But so far ito muna, and we're really focused on getting the experience of the Kumu users to watch the game better and better, no? So dyan kami nakatutok ngayon.
Thank you, sir. Pupunta po ako sa mga coaches and players. No? Pwede pong update naman sana kami sa team. May mga bago po ba tayo? Kumusta po yung health situation ng mga players? And pwede isasama ko na rin yung kung anong gusto ninyong maabot this conference. Siguro mag-start ako dun sa mga champions kay Coach Arnold. Magcha-champion daw sila ulit.
Good afternoon po. Sa amin ang update is hindi lahat 100%. So siguro mga 3 players nagre-recover pa from injury, but siguro sa start ng tournament baka hindi pa maka 100% ng performance, but hopefully in the middle hanggang end makahabol. So yun po isa.
Coach Kumpo. Yung isa pang champion daw.
Let's turn you over to Coach Sherwin Meneses.
Good afternoon po. Yung update naman sa team namin, we have one new player, si Lori Bernardo from UP. Kasi yung isa naman hindi naman siya newcomer sa Creamline, si Michelle Gumabaw. So yun yung update sa amin. Hopefully yung sa second date ng game, maganda yung maipakita namin. We have no games kasi kami sa first game, so mapapanood namin yung mga ibang team, so makapag-prepare kami ng mas maayos. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Si Coach O.
We're doing good. Slowly, we're on track. Dina is recovering, and Des is also recovering. But I'm confident that slowly we can make it, and hopefully dagdagan namin yung kung ano yung na-finish namin last year, last conference. So praying hard and working hard for it. Thank you.
Yung magsa-champion pa lang daw.
Mga nag-champion na sila. Sa amin naman sa Philippine Army, Ang update lang, si Joan Bunag, kaka-turn pa lang ng 40 years old. Last January. So, si Ging naman turning 39. So, medyo halata na medyo bata na yung team namin. So, pinakabata na namin si Audrey, I think. Jeanette, 23, Villarreal, from FEU. So, yun. Good luck sa amin.
Thanks, Coach Kung Fu. Let's hear from also Coach Aaron Velez here.
Good afternoon, everyone. For Cherry Tigo crossovers, we have Alina Vicar added to our roster. Definitely, we're still going to give it our best. However, a few backs, Dindin just got injured, so hopefully she'll recover in due time. That's it.
Thank you, Coach. Would you like to ask another question?
Last question na lang. Sa Kumu producers, meron po ba kayong parang program na i-revive yung mga previous history ng PBL, like kailan nag-start, parang trivia po na kailan nag-start ang PBL, ano yung unang pangalan niya, sino yung mga unang coach na nandoon, definitely not Coach Kung Fu. Meron po ba kayong naiisip na idea on reviving yung background ng mga players and everything na ipuput into a trivia?
Well, yeah. So, Sydney and another telling me na meron yung PVL, the show. Alam mo naman sila, the young ones are in charge now, no? Inutusan lang kami ni Ricky dito. But so they're telling me that we do have, we really want to look back at the PVL, and it will be on PVL, the show, no? Every Sunday. The show that, yeah, the Sundays at 3 p.m. So, tune in.
That's all for me po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Sige po, introduce yourself po and then address kung sino po yung tatanungin ninyo.
Hi, I'm Abby Doraba from Malaya. Pero po sa mga players, gaano kalaking bagay para sa inyo na with Kumu, mapapalawak pa yung inyong platform para mas connected pa kayo with your fans?
Who would you like to answer specifically?
Random na lang.
Kahit sino. Sige, tawagin natin si Puting Turemdes para dyan.
English eh. Anong iulit daw po? Gaano kalaking bagay para sa inyo na ma-connect pa sa fans with, yun nga, with Kumu? Sobrang laki po. Thank you.
I think we also need to hear from Cherry Nunag to answer this question. Madam.
Feeling ko sobrang laki po na nagagawa ng Kumu for us kasi yun nga, mas nako-connect kami sa mga viewers, yung mga, especially noong nag-pandemic, sobrang nawalan sila ng track sa amin. So ngayon, parang nakikita nila kung ano yung ginagawa ng players sa mga free times nila, kung anong hobby mo, anong gusto mong gawin kapag ganito. So mas nakikilala nila yung mga players. So mas kami naman as mga nag-stream kay Kumu, sobrang na-appreciate namin na nakikita namin kung gaano ka-support yung mga tao sa volleyball community na parang akala kasi namin before parang wala na kasi ang tagal din na nung pandemic, pero pagbalik nung volleyball talagang niyakap din ng mga tao ulit yung volleyball. So sobrang thankful po kay Kumu especially. Thank you.
How about the comments from one of the most famous live stream performers in Kumu? You have Gemma Galanza.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Siguro, yun nga po, sabi ni Ate Cherry, sobrang laking bagay po ng Kumu sa PBL po kasi madami pong mga fans na nasa probinsya na hindi po nakakapanood live. So, sa Kumu po, mapapanood natin yung mga games. So, So, at least kahit nasa bahay lang sila, nag-enjoy silang panoorin tayo, ang mga games natin. And, ano ba? Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. And I just got word no na when it comes to the fun facts, historical facts about PVL na gusto ninyong malaman, in our show every 3 p.m. on Sunday, si Mela Tunay po ang bahala pagbigay ng mga fun facts na yan. Okay, so do we have any more questions?
Ask ko na lang din, how are you guys looking forward on meeting yung mga international teams natin in the Japanese times? Sa coaches or players?
I think we want to ask Bea De Leon. Okay, Bea.
Ate Lai, ikaw daw.
Si Eliza later on.
Well, malaking bagay rin siya sa amin kasi very exciting na lahat kami makaka-experience ng foreign teams, and alam naman natin na malaki yung taas na level din nila. So talagang looking forward kami to learn a lot of new things from them. One of them, we went in Japan, no? Kobe Shinwa. So yeah, I remember going against them before nung sa Ateneo pa kami. We had the privilege of going there, and sobrang bilis nila, sobrang gagaling nila, yung plays nila talagang well executed, and again, we're just very, very excited to learn from all of them, and hopefully it translates sa court na ma-apply din namin, sana mag-gaya din namin, and as a whole, mag-improve kami para sa mataas pa yung level ng volleyball dito.
Alright, thank you, Bea. Now let's hear from our finals MVP.
Mexico, Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, Kumu, for having us here today. Anyway, to answer that question, I think we're very excited to face these teams, lalong-lalo na with the experience of VNL, having those tournaments, lalo na yung SEA Games most recent. So nakikita natin yung hopefully improvement and development ng volleyball community dito sa Philippines because of those experiences, and we'll gladly siguro welcome them and actually learn from them din talaga. And I think that's the beauty of sport. We learn from each other. Mapakalaban mo yan, mga pa-teammate mo pa yan. So we're really looking forward to facing them this coming tournament.
How about Mitch Morente? Mitch, yes. What can you say about...
Si Mitch daw madaming sasabihin.
Yan. What are your expectations for this conference, especially with the presence of our international teams?
Parang nasabi na po nila lahat. Pero yun nga, like they said kanina na it's a big factor for us kasi magkakaroon kami ng experience to go against one of the best teams, and ayun nga, aangat din yung volleyball IQ and experience. So, yun lang naman. Nasabi na kasi nila lahat eh. So, yun na yun.
I think we can move on to another question. Sige.
Hello po. My name is Julian Cardenas. I am from Manila Standard. I would like to ask, because since the next upcoming game is going to be a single round robin, what are your preparations for streaming and videoing your games po?
Hand off the mic to Sydney Crespo. Let's give a big round of applause to Sydney here.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you so much for coming. For the live streaming, we will be live on the PVL Kumu channel at 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. So we will be having all the regular games, the semi-finals, and of course the final. But for the replays naman, we have it every day. We wanted to cater also to all of the supporters that is outside the country, because I think they don't have access, at least especially for the free access to the games. So it's good that Kumu is here to cover that, because we as a brand, we are global. We have a lot of supporters and users around the globe. And so it's very important for us to cater to them. That's why we're starting the replays at 7:30 a.m., the earliest that we can do. So we can cater especially to those in the US, Canada, Middle East. So that's what's special for the Kumu coverage for live streaming this conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sydney Crespo.
Second question po, this is for all the players. What is your advice to your younger fans who are currently watching Kumu right now?
Advice to the younger fans currently watching Kumu right now. Why don't we hear from the team captain of Petrogas, Ate G Syed?
Siguro yun sa mga young ones. Very kasi yung social media nowadays. So malaking impact sa kanila. So syempre dapat yung mga dapat nilang gayahin sa mga artists nila na naglalaro. Siguro yun yung dapat nilang gayahin. And yung mga pwede nilang i-apply sa araw-araw din nila na buhay. 'Di ba? So I guess yun yung pwedeng i-apply ng mga bata para makatulong din para sa pag-grow nila. Para pag someday sila naman yung nandito sa posisyon namin. Magagaya and magagawa din nila ng maayos.
Thank you, Ate G. Our communicants are requesting to hear from Denden Lazaro Revilla.
What I would like to say to our younger viewers, that they should get into sports. There are a lot of things that you can learn from, engaging in sports, engaging with other people, and sports is the way to go, especially volleyball. May it be young boys, young girls, and it's really great that we have Kumu for PVL covering our games. Kumu is such a great environment for all of us. It's a safe space for everyone to be in. So we're really glad that we have the support of Kumu, and it's a great place for younger viewers to be on. It's really engaging, not just for us, but also for them. So, yeah.
Thank you, Denden. Do we have any more questions? Alright, and we have a question actually coming from our live stream, and it concerns the returning players here in the PVL. So tanungin natin, sina Michelle Gumabaw and Jovelyn Gonzaga, pinapatanong ng ating communicants, ano ang bagong maaasahan namin mula kina Michelle Gumabaw and Jovelyn Gonzaga in this new conference?
Magandang, oras na ba? Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ayoko po ng may expectations. Kasi ayoko po ma-fail. Excited ako actually kasi coming from beach volley na naka-bikini. Babalik na po ako ulit sa indoor kasi last season hindi ako nakalaro because nga of the rulings. So sa ngayon, excited ako na makaapak ulit sa hardcourt kasama ang bagong setter kasi ngayon ko lang din magiging setter si Ivy Perez. So ayun, ayoko na maraming expectations. For now, nagfo-focus talaga kami ng team sa progress ng team every single day. So malalaman natin siguro ang outcome ng ng paghihirap namin during games na. And malapit na siya. So panoorin niyo, malapit na. July 9 Saturday. May game kami against Signal 2:30. Ayan. That would be all. Thank you.
As a rookie, just happy to be back. I've missed playing volleyball and happy to be back with my teammates. Anong bago? Coach, may bago ba sa akin, Coach, in your opinion? Just really to work hard. I really hope na this season, for our team, walang ma-injure, not just for us, but for all the teams, and makalapaglaro lahat. And yung bago, aabangan na lang sa game namin on Tuesday, so sana manood lahat and mag-support lahat this coming PVL season. Thank you.
Thanks, MG. Do we have any more questions here sa ating venue? From our reporters, may mga magtatanong pa po ba? Sige po, ma'am.
hello again po. May I ask, what's Kumu's plan for sports in general for this year and the upcoming year?
I guess for now, volleyball, but we are in talks with other sports. We're talking. Ricky was telling me that the other like basketball, we should look into. So definitely, I think we're open naman to working with everyone as long as we can support the league, the teams, support athletes in general. No? So Segumus really take care of making it a positive, safe space. We want authenticity in it, and of course, super fun. No? So basketball, other sports, really fun. So definitely, we should be working with them. And we've been starting to reach out to other leagues. No? So I think it's something to look forward to on the Kumu app.
My next question is, can we expect individual players to go live? What do they want to stream about?
What players?
Individual players po.
Yes, I would believe so. Actually, anyone can actually just start live streaming as long as they, I guess, well, to talk about the athletes here, I guess during the game is medyo lay low kasi training, baka magalit yung coach. That's what Mela always tells me. So, magagalit yung coach, okay. So, but yeah, I mean, athletes in general, they can definitely stream. We welcome them to do so, and we really invite everyone to connect with their fans locally and globally, the same way that the PBL athletes have done so.
Okay, thank you so much. For my last question, what's new for Kumu on 2022 this year po?
What is new on Kumu? I don't know, but Alex or Vicky might wanna take that question. I think we are just focused on this year, really focused on working with the PBL, making the streams experience of the viewers much better. We've been trying to figure out what's the best viewing experience for our users, but in general, I have to promote also the Mela, I have to promote the All-Star Games, diba? Yeah, so we have All-Star Games with the PBL, and then just in general, on the product side, focus on making our users have better experience on the app, and then I think in general, also outside of volleyball, we have a team focus on opening new other categories, gaming, comics, pop culture, and other maybe hobbies or just interesting, interests by users. What users want, we try and serve it to them. Then also a bit more celebrities also have been coming in Kumu, so maybe looking forward to that as well. But generally, we really want to focus on interests like sports, volleyball, new communities, comics, gaming, culture. So we're focused on that this year.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do we have any more questions from the media here? Present, meron pa po ba? We are about to end our Q&A, so this is your chance. Again, do you have any more questions from the media? Okay, actually, meron tayong isang fan, from our community na, Sherry Tigo and Petrogas fan. She actually wants to ask Mylene Pad and Pang Pineda this question. So, sino sa mga kakampi ninyo yung nakitaan nyo ng pinakamalaking improvement in the off-season? Who in your teammates did you see a lot of improvement from in the off-season? Let's start with Pang Pineda.
Hello everyone. Off-season, siguro yung mga middle spikers namin. Siguro sobrang laking improvement ni Rem and Seth ngayon. Siguro masyado lang sila talaga nagfo-focus kasi last PVL 3 lang yung middle namin. So
parang nag-double time talaga sila para in any case, meron talagang hugutin sa labas kung may ma-injured man or may mangyari. Thank you.
Hello po, good afternoon to everyone. Sabi po ni Sir Ricky, ako daw po. Charot. For me po, si EJ po, kasi syempre, matagal din siya nawala sa volleyball world. And pagkabalik niya, marami din po siyang pinagdaanan. And now, we can see also to her na yung improvement niya day by day. And ayun na po.
Thank you, Bang and Mylene. All right, we have our final question from the Kumu username of Volleybell Bell. At ang tinatanong niya ay si Binibining Alyssa Valdez. Lai, the question is, who is the most memorable team or player na naging opponent mo na hindi mo makakalimutan in the past couple of conferences in the PBL?
Unforgettable game siguro would be our game against Petrogas reinforced conference kasama po nila si Salas and Johnson. So yun siguro yung isa sa mga unforgettable. Pero locally, lahat naman po napaka saya ng mga games namin and hindi makakalimutan. But that game talaga is very memorable to us kasi yes, galing po na. Sa Ate Chi po kasi talaga yun. Ate Chi pala yung hindi ko makakalimutan, Ate Chi.
Okay, thank you, Like. Again, let's give a big round of applause to our coaches and players present here. Thank you so much for all of your questions, and of course to our teams for accommodating our media friends. Talaga nga namang ready na ang teams natin for our invitational conference. All right, everyone, as excited as we are this July 9 and for the features in Kumu, of course we have more in store for you guys. As we approach the end of this short but sweet program, there is another special group of people that we would like to acknowledge today. If you are on Kumu, you already know what a campaign is, diba? Sino dito ang mga sumasali sa campaigns o sumusuporta sa mga campaigns? Meron ba? Meron ba dito? Yan, madami-dami. Alright, just for the information of everyone, a Kumu campaign is here to provide an avenue for gifters to increase the value of their gifts by having it tied onto the streamer's chance of winning. And just a few days ago, we had our Monster Block PBL campaign where the volleyball community was given a chance to attend this exclusive event and ultimately meet their idols. Kaya hello sa ating mga winners! Napakagaling ninyong lahat! We have Rica Camille Gabriel, Sofia Danel Tuazon, Eugene Manuel Ramirez, Maribel Ramos, Arabella De Luna, Maria Janelle Hernandez, Maurice Don Tejano, Angelica Sarmiento, and Nika Magbuhos. Let's give a big round of applause to our winners. Congratulations everyone, and thank you for supporting your PVL idols. Now is the chance for you guys to have a photo opportunity kasama ang ating teams. Please come here in front and let's take a photo. Please keep wearing your mask for safety and health purposes. So ngayon, group photo tayo. And now, as we have some time here in front, ang ating mga winners in Kumu, you can go ahead and take some pictures with your idols dito sa ating harap. Maybe a chance as well to ask a few questions sa kanila dahil deserve nyo naman yan because of your efforts in our campaigns. Alright, you still want to take some pictures with your idols? Dito na kayo? Pag gusto nyo mag-selfie dyan, habang nasa harap na kayo, sige, just make sure to keep your mask on. Give you some time for that.
Again, congratulations to our campaign winners. It exists to provide an avenue for gifters to increase the value of their gifts by having it tied onto the streamer's chance of winning. Again, we have our winners up front: Rica Camille Gabriel, Sofia Daniel Tuazon, Eugene Manuel Ramirez, Maribel Ramos, Arabella De Luna, Maria Janelle Hernandez, Maurice Don Tejano, Angelica Sarmiento, and Nika Magbuhos.